G'day, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today's layout is going to be for 2 challenges because I'm still behind and trying to catch up, and I'm sorry if I feel like I'm talking really fast. Anyway, so the 2 challenges I'm doing for this layout is strip tease, where we use the border strips from our patterned papers, and a lot of companies have patterns on the reverse side. So we're using strips of paper, and you can do either a border around the whole page or a border around the photo. I'm choosing to do a border around the photo with my paper strips. Some of my paper strips are not actually border strips. They are little bits I've had left over from the paper if I've trimmed it to put it on top of another paper. So you're left with like that 1/2 inch strip of paper. So I pop them into my container of border strips and treat them the same. So that's that challenge. And the second one is 52 weeks of favorite photos, and this photo is so cool. We went on a walk, the family did, me and the family. Oh my goodness. Last week. This is for week 3, and it's somewhere that we hadn't been before, and there was this really cool plaque that someone had put on a tree, and the tree is like growing around it, and I went, that's really cool. I didn't even know that was there. It's in our local area, and we went when we go for a walk, we went a different direction, so, and we'd never seen this before. So the saying is, the wise old owl sat in the oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The more he spoke, the less he heard. Why aren't we more like this wise old bird? Yeah, so I'm sure it's a saying somewhere, and I don't have it with me now, but I am going to type it up or write it up on a little card and possibly tuck it somewhere or put it on the back of the layout or something, because that's not so easy to read, and I want to actually research the history of that. Is it an old Irish ballad, old something? I don't know, but I thought that was really cool. Anyway, so that is what I'm doing, and I'm going to use the Juniper and Sage collection from Uniquely Creative. I've got 2 trays of embellishments. I've got the vellum stickers, and also the flowers that came in the collection pack, and just assorted embellishments from the die cut pack. Oh, and I had a random leaf in there somewhere from when I've obviously stamped and coloured when I've used this collection before, and I've just tucked it in with everything else. So yeah, that's in there too. So that's what I'm using. I'm now going to speed you up and get on with the layout, so enjoy. Okay, there is my finished layout. So this was for Tease, where I created a frame around my photo using the paper strips. And then 52 weeks, my favourite photo of the week was this beautiful plaque in this tree. I had lots of fun doing this. I kept it quite minimal because the paper has a lot of gorgeousness already on it, so I didn't want to detract from that too much, but I wanted to build on it. So I just used a few of the vellum stickers, and a tip, if you use these vellum stickers, easy way to get them peeled, which I struggled with for years. Peel it from the front, just roll your thumb against or finger against the front of the vellum and the sticker, and it will separate. Now that I'm doing it, it's not going to, but it will separate. Oh my gosh, sometimes I'm a little bit clumsy. Oh. Anyway, you saw me do it in the video, and now I want to show you how to do it. It's not going to happen. Oh my goodness. Anyway, roll it forward. There we go. Gonna separate. Oh, are you kidding me? You saw when I was doing the video, it did not take me this long to separate them. Oh, trust me, it works. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. Anyway, yeah, they normally peel really easy when you peel them from the front. And I thought this range suited this photo beautifully. And yeah, not too much more to say. Oh, the heading, it had wonderful U under it, and I didn't really want the U, so I cut it off, and then I just went around, really badly, with a pen to continue the black outline. It looks a bit dodgy, but unless you look really closely, you're probably not even going to notice. Yeah, anyways, that's enough waffling from me. If you liked this video, you like this layout, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, then hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye.